What's up guys, it's Garrett from Life with Labradors and I'm here to let y'all know I started a brand new channel called Life with Puppies. It features any and all breed of puppies, each ethically raised. That's a very big standard that we have here. So please check it out. A link is in the top of this video's description. So already start subscribing. We have some videos of French Bulldogs, English Bulldogs, and Golden Doodles. Absolutely amazing content. I know a lot of you viewers really enjoy the puppy videos, so we created a channel just dedicated to puppies. Without further ado, I give to you 2-week-old yellow labs.
Hi. Oh my goodness, they are so cute. Little puppy pile. Oh what? Look at that stinker face. What? You're so cute. Come on guys, let's wake up. Let's wake up. Oh my goodness. They're just starting to open their eyes. They're so cute. What? So cute. I can't wait to watch these guys grow up. It's been a minute since we've had yellow and white Labrador puppies on our channel. Hi. So cute. Oh, big yawn. Also, none of these puppies have forever homes yet. So we have 10 beautiful yellow labs here. We have 7 boys and 3 girls. All of them need very loving and wonderful forever homes. Only serious inquiries, please. There's a lot of responsibility that comes with owning a puppy and owning a dog. So please, I'll have a link in the description. If you are interested, please contact the email that I have provided. And once again, just very serious inquiries. There's a lot of responsibility with taking care of a puppy, and I only want the best of homes for these gorgeous, gorgeous pups. So on that note, if you're interested, there you have it. Alright you guys, I will finally let you get back to sleep since you're obviously in need of catching up on those Z's. Everybody, please check out the brand new channel, Life with Puppies. These guys will be featured on there growing up, weeks 3 until 8, until they go to their forever homes. We also have amazing, amazing other content on there. We're gonna have some French Bulldog and English Bulldog videos. Absolutely adorable puppies. So please subscribe, check out the new channel, like the videos, and stay tuned for more amazing content. Can't wait to see these guys grow up. Say bye.